One thing lacking about this Belffin modular sectional sofa was online reviews, so I'm going to contribute one for any prospective buyers out there. You get one more person's opinion on the couch, the quality, the value, and the installation of it.
Alright, well, I'm a little winded from moving these things inside, but yeah, the first thing you get is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Did I count right? Might be 7, 2, 4, 7. Okay, 7. And yeah, a little late on shipping, not too late, but within a couple days past what they said. But there you go, and that's the first step. Modular, no pivot in the stairwell. I probably would have used the elevator, but so far, so good. So with each box, you get a 1/6 of the entire couch, I guess. And this one's the first one. This was on top. It looks like the backing, and then it's sort of the rest of the piece is one little unit. And it looks like they put the backing pillow or cushion inside, so it works out. It looks like nothing to decompress. So it's not one of those comes vacuum sealed. Everything's ready to go, and yeah, I mean, it feels like a styrofoam cushion type thing. It's probably what I was expecting in most couches, and that level of firmness is okay with me. At the bottom is little parts and pieces. Looks like the legs look like a plastic, but doesn't matter to me because they're under it. And some things to attach it and screw it in with, so hopefully everything is needed. Alright, upside down, I can see that they have the little attaching levers, so I mean it's modular, they connect to different ones, and places for the legs. So I'll put on the legs next and see how it goes. I guess the workmanship's just fine. I mean, I wouldn't expect anything fancy here. Staples, and feels nice. I like the texture. Just has that nice feeling to it. It's bagged pretty well. We've got a screwdriver it comes with, which is cool, but a little wasteful because I already have a screwdriver, and all of the bits and pieces in the nice little bags and even smaller bags. So it looks like it's organized really well, so hopefully people don't lose anything, and I may have to go to the instructions soon. Yeah, there is what was in the bags, and kind of get an idea, but I think I will go to the imagine these are for the legs. I think I will try and find the instructions in another one. Aha! This is good. I think I'm gonna learn stuff. Happy? Well, so far so good. So let's actually read these things and see how it helps. It looks like one of the first steps is to take the back and put these locks on it. That shouldn't be too hard. And yeah, you know, no kidding about the storage. The fact that every one of these has a pretty decent amount of storage. I'm nothing big, but this really could come in handy. And there you go. That is one of the units put together in about 5 to 10 minutes. Probably faster next time since I know what I'm doing. And it's very nice. I mean, the back's low. I guess that's the only thing, but you kind of have to know that going in. It's a low back couch. Cushion helps, of course, but yeah, just your head's not going to be going back against anything. And seems to be okay. It actually supports the back up to the point where the back needs to be supported. After opening the second box, I see we have another screwdriver, so it kind of seems I'm going to get 5 or 6 of these, and I appreciate the thoughtfulness, but that's just not eco-friendly. I would say they really should just expect people to have a screwdriver to buy one or something, but providing it is a nice gesture, but it's wasteful. Okay, couch section number 2 is done. It went much faster than couch number 1, probably about 5 to 7 minutes, and I probably could even beat that time. One thing I found is if you open the carton from the bottom, you can just slide the top off, and that makes it a little easier than trying to kind of fish it out of there. By the time I got to my 4th couch module building, under 5 minutes, 4 minutes and 45 seconds, so 46 seconds, but anyway, not bad. It might be tricky to understand how to get the side sections on, but once you sort of lift it up a little, same principle, which makes sense because I had no idea what these are for, and wow, nice design. And there you go, although I think I might reverse it the other way so the little tag isn't sticking out, so I'll put it on the other side, but so far, so good. So by just doing 3 sections, I got a pretty decent little couch. You know, this isn't a $3,000 or $5,000 couch. It's a $1,300 couch, and but for the money, I think it's fine. I haven't joined the pieces together, but I'll probably repeat that. For the money, I think it's fine so far. All right, this is the final setup. I haven't actually locked the pieces in yet, but that's next. I'm just trying to figure out what I like. Definitely like having 6. I would probably, unless I'm sleeping on it, I would pull out the middle and probably use it over on the side and enjoy the nice L shape. Although, Yeah, as far as coffee table, I don't know. I have to really think of how I want to configure things, because I think I definitely want a coffee table. But yeah, it takes some space. But if you look at it as also a second bed, it really looks like it would serve a nice purpose for that too. But overall, for what you pay, it's yeah, a pretty decent item. Again, time will tell. I'll probably do a follow-up later because you never know. But so far, what's coming in the box, there was not one missing piece. They give you extra pieces, and very easy to install, and definitely modular. And yeah, connecting it is really simple once you kind of figure things out. So I like it, and I would definitely recommend it. It's very light. It's a very light gray, so yeah, you want to be careful with what you drink and eat on it. But you know, I bought it to use it, not to try to resell it 2 years later as brand new. So I'm gonna enjoy my time on my new couch. Okay, now all the pieces are locked in place, except for, I'll let that one be roaming, so I won't bother to lock it, but it locks just fine. And there's unevenness I've noticed, definitely gonna be in the backs, that one for sure. I could swap that out, put another one in. I'm tempted, but I don't know, I'm kind of tired. It is a bit of work and setting things up and getting it in the right spot, because even three modules takes up some room. But I like it so far. We'll see. It's definitely stiff. It's not going to be soft, but maybe it'll break in. But either way, I'm fine with that. And the back's low. I guess those are the two major things to keep in mind. That you know, it's not a cloud couch or anything like that. They are kind of firm cushions. So, but other than that, and then, you know, that's not really a con. If you like firm cushions, that's what it is. So the Belffin 6-sectional modular couch.
What's funny is it was a friend visiting who actually discovered that these couches can recline back. Each section can kind of tilt back about 45 degrees, and that makes it great for extra room. And that little lounge section, that's awesome if you just want to kick back and watch TV. So that's kind of an added, I don't know, is it a bonus? But I didn't even realize it had it, but it makes me enjoy the couch all the much more.